A Little Bit of Cuba in Freehold, New Jersey. Presented by Betty Labosca at RE/MAX Homeland, your neighborhood realtor.
Hi, I'm Betty Labosca from RE/MAX Homeland Realtors, and I'm here to tell you that this is one of my favorite restaurants. The food here is delicious. I've been selling real estate for the past 18 years in Monmouth and Ocean County, and I'm the recipient for the past 2 years of the New Jersey Circle of Excellence Platinum Award. That's a distinction shared by less than 20 agents that applied of the thousands of agents of the Monmouth County Association of Realtors. My goal with all of my clients is to exceed their expectations, and my motto is, I get results. Let me get those same results for you.